Hello my dear students, today I am going to teach you how to differentiate using the first principle of derivative. In the previous class I taught you how to differentiate by using the formula. Now we are going to learn to get the same value but using the first principle of derivative. So the first principle of derivative states that dy by dx, that means differentiating y with respect to x, is nothing but limit x tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x divide the whole thing by h. So this is called the first principle of derivative. So this is called the first principle of derivative. Is that clear? So I'll just give you a simple example. Let us say y equal to x cube. So what is the derivative according to the formula? It's what? Dy by dx equal to, what is going to happen to this 3? 3 is going to go in front, so you get 3x squared. This is the answer, isn't it? Now let us get the same value by using the first principle of derivative. So y equal to x cube means fx equal to x cube. That means y and fx are same. The functional value is x cube. Now what is the formula? Limit x tends to 0, sorry, not x, h tends to 0, h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x divide the whole thing by h. So we know fx equal to x cube. So what is f of x plus h? It's going to be, just replace x by x plus h, so you get x plus h whole cube. So put the value. So limit x tends to 0, f of x plus h is what? X plus h whole cube minus fx is x cube, divide the whole thing by h. Now you know, for limit, if the denominator is not 0, then we can solve it by putting the value of h. But when you put h equal to 0, you get 0 in the denominator. That would give our answer as undefined. So unless and until we remove 0 from the denominator, we cannot simplify. So let me simplify further. So what is a plus b whole cube's formula? It's a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Divide the whole thing by h. So minus x cube is there. So x cube and x cube gets cancelled. Is that clear? Now see what you get. Limit h tends to 0. So h is common. So if I take out h, what do I get out here? H square plus 3x square plus 3xh. Divide the whole thing by h. So h and h gets cancelled. So you don't get 0 in the denominator as you cancelled h. Now put the value of h. So what do you get? 0 square plus 3x square plus 3x into 0. So 0, so this also 0. So what is your final answer? 3x square, which we had already got using the formula. Is that clear, my dear students? So this is how you are going to solve a question on first principle of derivative. I'll give you one more example. Okay, so the function is fx equal to 3x square plus 2x. So I need to find the derivative of this. So when you differentiate, can you tell me what do you get? When you differentiate, can you tell me what do you get? What happens to this 2? 2 comes in front, so 3 2s are 6x plus 2 and differentiation of x is 1. That means when you differentiate, you get 6x plus 2. So this is what I am supposed to get. So using, because the question precisely says using first principle of derivative, what is the formula? Limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. So what is fx? Tell me. Fx is 3x square plus 2x. This is the functional value. So what is f of x plus h? X plus h will give us 3. Instead of x, you have to write x plus h whole square plus 2 into x plus h. Simplify this. So what do you get? 3 a plus b whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 2x plus 2h. So you get 3x square plus 3h square plus 3 2s is 6xh plus 2x plus 2h. So this is what you get. Now you simply put the value. So limit h tends to 0. What is f of x plus h? The whole thing which we got, that is 3x square plus 3h square plus 6xh plus 2x plus 2h minus, what is fx? Fx is 3x square minus 2x, divide the whole thing by h. So 3x square and 3x square gets cancelled, 2x and 2x also gets cancelled. So tell me what is left. Limit h tends to 0, so you are left with 3h square plus 6xh plus 2h, divide the whole thing by h. So when you take h common, you get 3h plus 6x plus 2, divide the whole thing by h. So h and h gets cancelled, so you no more gets h in the 0 in the denominator. Now put the value of h. So 3 into 0 plus 6x plus 2, so the answer is 6x plus 2. So this is how you differentiate using first principle of derivatives. Is that clear? So with this, I want you all to try few questions. I'll just write it down. Using first principle of derivative. Using first principle of derivative, find the differentiation of fx equal to 3x plus 2. Number 2, fx equal to x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. Number 3, fx equal to x square minus 2x, and the fourth one, fx equal to root x. So I want you all to do these questions at home. Is that clear? Okay, so before I end today's topic, so just have a look. This is what you are going to do. The function will be given. The function is 3x square plus 2x. When you differentiate, you know that 2 comes in front. You get 6x plus 2 as the answer. But the question wants to find out the answer using the first principle of derivative, and the formula is limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus fx divided by h. Fx is 3x square plus 2x. So f of x plus h means replace x by x plus h. So you get 3x square plus 3h square plus 6xh plus 2x plus 2h. That you put it in the limit, and fx is 3x square minus 2x. 3x square and 3x square gets cancelled, 2x and 2x gets cancelled. Whatever is left, main objective is to remove h from the denominator. So in all the questions I have given you for homework, you will see that the same thing happens. H gets cancelled. Once h gets cancelled, there is no more 0 in the denominator. Then you put the value of h as 0 and you get the final answer. So I hope you have understood this. Please try these 4 questions at home. If you have any problem, you can always WhatsApp me. Thank you so much.